Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is element visibility. Element visibility refers to whether an element is actually visible to the user on the UI. An element may exist in the DOM, be found by Selenium, but still not visible. Common reasons may be the CSS display property may be none, CSS visibility style may be hidden, covered by overlay or loader, or some processing may happen in the UI inside hidden panel or model. Not yet, it may not be have been loaded. In Selenium, display method returns true if it is visible. Click and send keys usually fail if the element is not visible. This is one of the top causes for flaky tests. Here in the sample script, if you see, I am locating an element on the page using the email input find element by name. Then I am checking if the element is displayed. If displayed is false, the element is not visible to the user. Trying to click a non-visible element causes failure. In real projects, we wait for visibility before interacting. So I will run this one and see whether we are able to achieve what we have written here. It should perform should perform entering the email input. You see, it has entered email input. We are able to find the element is visible, element is displayed, so the same is written, email field visible equal to true. So since it is true, we are able to send the keys into that email field. This is how element visibility affects Selenium automation. Found means not always visible. Always wait for visibility before interaction. Since there is a default wait for a particular element to wait, Selenium uses default wait, but if it is not able to find within the time period, then it will throw an error. Most element not interactable errors are visibility errors. Visibility means usability. In real frameworks, we just don't find elements, we wait for them to become visible.